Halløj, halløj. Så I kan se, jeg har allerede loadet ind, og jeg har lige været oppe og fået det der synchronization point. Så nu tror jeg nok bare, jeg hopper ned. Og så går jeg ind til objektivet. Jeg håber fandme ikke, jeg dør. Okay, godt, det gør jeg ikke. Jeg ved ikke helt, hvordan fast travels virker. Altså sådan, man kun kan bruge det, når man er på båden. Eller sådan, man aldrig kan bruge det. Eller i hvert fald sådan, man skal være i et specifikt sted i levelet, før man kan. Eller et specifikt sted i storyen, for der man kan.
Leaving already?
I think this cove suits you best, Edward. Better than that costume does.
Ja, hold din
Come on
kæft.
now. We're pirates, kid. We take as we please and become who we like. Self-made man.
But that look ain't you. It's not who you are.
Who am I then?
Hard to tell some days. All I know is you like dangerous prizes.
Like the observatory? I think you know more about that than you let on in Nassau.
Gør han
Noticed
sikkert.
that, did you? Beat me at 20 degrees, 3 minutes latitude just off the coast of Yucatan. I'll have something to show you there in a few weeks' time.
Okay, fedt. Spurt. Er der en shop nu? Eller kan jeg gøre sådan, så der er en shop? Det kan jeg sikkert. Sikkert den der bugte opgradering. Det er ikke chokerende, hvis det var.
Spare a moment, Captain. I've been needing coin to set up the shipyard, Captain. The faster I have the needful gold, the sooner our ships will rule the waves.
Ja, ja, altså det der, det er intet. Man må gætte, man kan kun købe ting, som er
What have you been eating today, then?
som skibsopgraderinger. Ja, selvfølgelig. 10k! Så det er det værd. Det er det værd. Jeg har fået rigtig mange penge.
Rum bit of business, lad.
Det ser bare for sådan. Det ved jeg ikke.
Captain Kenway, a moment. I'll not play duck and drake with you, Captain. I need coin to build a little emporium. I'd be ever obliged. And a local shop would bring in many a useful ware for you as repayment.
Ja, tak. Det er det, jeg gerne vil. Fordi jeg vil gerne ind og få det bedste outfit i hele spillet. Det mest drippy outfit på alle sides. Udover det her selvfølgelig. Og det er den her. Jeg ved sgu ikke helt om det der, det var. Jeg tror jeg sgu ikke helt det er. Hvad fanden betyder lammelse? Jeg har sgu lige så meget, så kan man lige sgu.
Bienvenue
Enter!
Sådan. Nu har vi det trippigste outfit på. Lad mig se, hvad for nogle opgraderinger jeg kan købe til mit skib, fordi
What
jeg
have you been eating today, then?
ved aldrig helt, hvornår jeg skal bruge det. Se, dem her bruger jeg meget. Så jeg upgrade det her, og så kommer jeg ikke til at upgrade mere.
Why,
Hygge.
thanks for your trust, Captain.
Spare me your jugs just a wee bit.
Captain's at the helm.
I mean, I guess, ja. Det skal jeg jo gøre.
Boy, Captain. We found a trove of nautical maps and ledgers and the like, scattered about the village. You'll find them sorted in the captain's quarters of the Jackdaw. Quality stuff.
Nautical maps and ledgers. Might come in useful if we decide to build up a fleet of our own.
Exactly my thinking, Captain. Have a look for yourself and tell me what you think.
Så venter vi, så venter vi, så venter vi. Jamen, hvor lang tid kan det lige tage, holy scheisse. Hellige makroner, mand. Så indlæs dog lidt hurtigere. Så jeg tror bare, vi kommer tilbage, når det er, at den er færdig med indlæg. Nå, den endte med ikke at gide at gøre det. Så nu prøver jeg lige igen, og hvis... Ja, vi bliver bare ved med objectivesne. Selvfølgelig skal det her. Men jeg vil først lige tjekke. Er det sådan, at man bruger fast travel? Yep, det er det. Okay, det er man godt at vide.
What's our course today, Captain? It's a fine day for any kind of mischief.
Så. Hvor langt den skal vi? For at kunne nå hen til questen. Jeg kan ikke se questen nogen steder. Hele vejen herhen. Er du sjøs, vi skal langt?
What's your feeling?
I'll make no secret of wanting to see the British brought to heel. If we can take their gold and put it to use ourselves, I'll be a happy man.
Spoken like a true Welshman, Addy.
And what's your aim?
Master Kidd hinted at a prize he was eager to show me down in Tulum. Quite some distance, mind, on the
No.
Yucatan Peninsula.
You trust him to play it?
Åh nej, så er det sikkert sådan noget, hvor der skal lave stealth eller sådan noget pis.
That gives me pause. I should go see him soon.
So long. long as we take some prizes along the way, I'm sure the crew will understand. I'll set a course for Tulum.
For that is where the cocks swoop roll. We're all bound over the mountain. And if we drown while we are young, wavy Susiana, it's better to drown than to wait to be hung. We're all bound over the mountain. Oh, growl ye may, but go ye must. Wavy Susiana, if ye growl too hard,
Det er da hygge nok.
we're all bound over the mountain. Up socks, you cocks, and her to blot. Wavy Susiana, and go below to your old ditty box. We're all bound over the mountain. Oh, rock and shake, one more drag.
Kæft for en god sang, mand.
Oh, bend your
Jeg har det ikke engang sagt som en joke, det er faktisk meget god. Jeg er så bare mig, der er lidt autistisk. Nej, bare en joke. Så langt er vi. Ja, så langt vil jeg sgu da ikke sige. Vi skal i hvert fald eller prøve at undgå det der. Or nor.
Call in the stunts! Stunts up with a will!
Let out some sail!
Man prøver at dreje, og så sejle rundt om den. Så faktisk ud til den er på vej væk.
Trim to!
Studs up! Let's get moving!
Loose all! Party like!
Jeg vil bare ikke fight en man of war. Eller sådan 3 bricks. Det gider jeg sgu ikke helt lige nu.
Survivor here, sir!
Nu var jeg fandme bare snart kommet ud af det her restricted area. Jeg gider ikke at lave boat sneaky så meget mere. Godt, det er jeg også på vej ud af. Tak fucking skæbne.
Larboard, Captain! Look!
Så kunne sikkert godt myrde den der. Har bare ikke rent noget som det var. Men nu så er der ikke så mange restricted areas tilbage. Det er lidt svært område åbenbart. Et restricted area her vil næsten være certified death. Givet om skib, de bare begynder at attack dig ud af det blå, uden du gør dem noget. Det håber jeg ikke. Fordi hvis de gør, så er jeg lidt fucked. Jeg er stadig i en svær del. Jeg er stadig i Charlotte. Nej, jeg skal ikke ind i et restricted område her. Nej. Nej, Nevista. Har jeg et factual område tæt på? Men jeg har der, men så skal jeg kæmpe der. Men her kommer der tættere på. Så det gør jeg sgu bare. Fuck det der andet noget. Ikke en skid kommer jeg til at lave boat stealth i et hard område. Nej. Er det ikke her, hvor Damas startede spillet? Det ved jeg sgu ikke helt.
Captain has the helm.
Jeg sejlede ud på havet.
Course today, Captain. It's a fine day for any kind of mischief.
What's your feeling?
I'll make no secret of wanting to see the British brought to heel. If we can take their gold and put it
Så, ja.
ourselves, I'll be a happy man.
Spoken like a true Welshman, Ade.
And what's your aim?
Master Kidd hinted at a prize he was eager to show me down in Tulum. Quite some distance, mind, on the Yaktan Peninsula.
You trust him to play it fair?
I can't be sure. He has a way of picking away at my conscience.
Måske hvis det her bare bliver tæt på væggen, så kommer der ikke nogen skib. Jeg ved godt, jeg spiller som en pussy, men jeg gider bare ikke at lave ship combat. Nej. Please. Jeg gider ikke fight et fucking sejt sted. Jeg kommer bare til at prøve at sejle forbi. Nå, sig der, at I stadig kan ramme mig herfra. Hvor lang tid til jeg er ude af restricted area? Det kan jeg ikke engang se. Åh nej, der er en enemy up ahead. Der er mange enemies up ahead. Okay, der er også sådan nogle lille lorteskib. Nu vil se. Ja, jeg er i middelområdet. Så der er faktisk også venstre, jeg skal bare... Glad for, at jeg lige tjekkede mit kort. Jeg synes det er sjovt, hvordan sådan inde på mappet, så ser stedet meget større ud, men i virkeligheden så er mappet ikke engang så stort. Eller ikke lige så stort. Så nogle steder ligner det, at man skal gå sådan 20 km, men så i virkeligheden skal man gå sådan 50 meter. Tak skal jeg var lige bange for, at jeg havde en fucking hunter på mig, bare fordi da jeg gik ind til det der fort. Så. Nothing is true, som det vil hedde på engelsk. Og så er det hele restricted område. Snemorder? No, I guess vi er ved assassins nu. Nå, det er fordi jeg er vant til sådan E-normalt takeout. Okay, godt at vide, det er bare alle sammen. Like, det er bare fucking fists. Men det er bare fist assassinations. Kom her. Ja, du ved godt, du gerne vil komme her.
Men can be just be ready for anything. The Templars may know our whereabouts now.
Walpole, isn't that right? The Englishman.
He played us from the start. Betrayed our confidence.
How could we have known? Even after I was taken in by a Charles.
I saw a ship pass this way, close upon the shore, then gone. Artabai warned us to be vigilant. Templars have been closing in for well on a year. Indeed, but Templars make noise with their coming and goings. I've not heard a thing just yet.
Kom nu, dame, skrid nu bare. Jeg var tæt på at løbe lidt her. Så en checkpoint. Skal lige se de der gutters pathing. Samleren går bare frem og tilbage. Så når han går tilbage, skal jeg gå hen og take down ham der. Kom nu an, vi ved godt det vil. Mit ene spørgsmål er bare stadig, hvornår fuck jeg får uploadarten? Nå, jeg skal bare der. Okay. Jeg tror, jeg skal derhen eller sådan noget. lidt brutalt. Kom så, dame. Jeg elsker bare den der, de ikke ser der. Nej, det er altså så fucking dejligt. Kom nu hen, dame. Det er det meget sneaky. Jeg venter til ham, der er en passer igennem sådan en gang mere. Fordi jeg står der sgu ikke på. Bro, han er brutal. What's up, kid?
You let me.
We're on to something. I can feel it.
Captain Kenway? What is the assassin Duncan Walpole?
Dead and buried. After he tried to kill me.
We are not sorry to see him gone, but it was you who carried out his final betrayal. Why?
De havde brug for pengene.
Should I find comfort in that? You murdered our brothers and sisters in Havana.
He has the sense, mentor.
Ja, vi er store
James
gigachats.
tells me you treated with the Templars there. Did you see the man they called the Sage?
Aye,
Would you recognize his face if you saw it again?
I reckon so.
I must be certain.
Jeg glæder mig bare til dag for blowpipes.
Come on.
Det har nemlig hørt, man kan få i deres spil. Og de ser rimelig OP ud. Ja, jeg magter ikke at plyndre skattekister. Fuck det.
You
walked me blind and backwards into this mess, kid. Who the hell was that jester back there?
Atabai, an assassin. And my mentor.
Oh my
You're all
god.
part of some daffy religion.
Wow, han kalder simpelthen en religion.
But it does not command us to act or submit, only to be wise.
Oh, do tell. I'd love to hear it.
Nothing is true. Everything is permitted. This is the world's only certainty.
Ja. Okay, så jeg bliver simpelthen bare lige stuck? Hvad fuck? Nah, der er no way. Der er faktisk no fucking way, jeg lige bliver stuck.
You walked me blind and backwards into this mess, kid. Who the hell was that jester back there?
Atabai, an assassin. And my mentor.
So you're all part of some daffy religion.
We're assassins and we follow a creed, aye. But it does not command us to act or submit, only to be wise.
Oh, do tell. I'd love to hear it.
Nothing is true. Everything is permitted. This is the world's only certainty.
Everything is permitted. I like the sound of that. Thinking what I like and acting how I please.
Parrot the words, but you do not understand.
Don't get haughty with me.
Ah, for helvede, kid. Stupid wonka.
The way forward's blocked.
That's a door, I reckon.
Aye. There should be some way to open it. A mechanism somewhere.
Like a capstan.
Those blocks up there. Try moving them.
La. Tombs. Oh fuck, jeg fik et chok i det.
It ain't like climbing Ratlands. Those blocks up there seem like they might move with a bit of weight.
Godt det der, kid.
So it's you lot them Templars have been chasing then.
Until you came along and mucked things up, it was us chasing them. We had them running scared. They have the upper hand.
Ja, bare rolig. Du har Eduardo Kenway til at hjælpe dig over din assassin gutte putte. Så I burde have det fint.
Seems to be broke. Let's find another way around. Follow on, man.
Ja, hold nu kæft, kid. Wee. Okay, jeg tager tilbage til, hvad der er, så i en tidligere episode med, at Edwin ikke kunne fucking svømme så lang tid. Han kan svømme i lang tid. Prøv lige at se det der. Han kan bare ikke svømme sneaky i lang tid, hvilket ikke rigtig giver mening. Så han kan godt svømme under vandet, sådan dybt under vandet, lang tid. Men sådan lige hans hoved under vandet, bum,
Treasure.
sådan 10 sekunder.
Whatever's waiting at the end of this path better be worth my time.
That'll depend on you.
How's that?
What I'm taking you to see may spin your head right round. I only hope you can take the shock of it.
I can handle myself.
Ja, ved du overhovedet, hvem der snakker til Kid? Du snakker til Eduardo Kenway. Kom nu, Kid, du er lidt langsom for en assassin.
Is this it then? The grand prize your mentor asked me to see looks nothing like the man they call the Sage, I'm sorry to say.
Keep your trousers tied up. One more riddle to solve. These statues are like the ones we've seen before. Pictures carved on them.
There's pictures carved on the floor as well. Not of the same sort.
There's a correspondence there. But what?
Okay, jeg tror lidt godt, jeg ved, hvad det er, vi skal gøre. Så jeg
There's
gør
a difference between them animals on the statues and them on the floor. Do you see it?
Aye, one group is predators, the other is prey.
Which predator goes with which prey? That's the question.
Right, there's your correspondence. Brilliant.
Might be those stones are counterweights.
Jeg er ked, jeg er allerede i gang med at løse det, okay.
Lend me a hand here, will you?
Og sådan. Hvis det er, nu kan klatre op, selvfølgelig. Det kan Eduardo Kenway altid. Sådan, bada bing. Og så en mere, som allerede er lined up. Det her spil er faktisk sjovt as fuck. Især den her mission, altså sådan lidt Tomb Raider style, faktisk. Det er sjovt.
That's him, the sage. But this thing must be hundreds of years old.
Older still. You're certain it's him?
Ja.
Aye. It's the eyes that mark him.
Did the Templars say why they wanted this sage?
They drew some of his blood into this small glass cube.
Hvor fuck er Edward sort og rød øjne nu?
Aye. They meant to ask him about the observatory too, but he escaped.
Huh. We're finished here.
Men sådan faktisk, hvorfor har han så røde øjne? Eller er jeg bare den eneste, der ser det? Jeg kan stære her bare. Det var måske bare en lille visual bug eller sådan noget.
What the hell did I just see back there? Jim!
Quiet.
The statue in the temple. Was that the man you saw in Havana?
Spitting likeness, aye.
It seems another sage has been found. The race for the observatory begins anew.
Is that why we're whispering?
This is your doing, Captain Kenway. The maps you sold to the Templars have led them straight to us.
Damn.
Now the agents of two empires know exactly where we operate.
Leave this to me, Mental.
They have taken Edward's crew as well. I wonder what their lives are worth to him.
Så skal vi fandme begå mord.
Take this.
Oh.
You'll attract no attention.
Let's go,
And
endelig.
take fewer lives.
Det er så ikke lige mit main problem, men okay.
Use them darts on this one coming now. Quick. Quiet and effective, see?
Damn.
You've seen this temple? Massive.
Aye. I'm wondering if it's full of gold and jade and the like.
Has to be, don't it? Where else would the Dagos get it? They're full of dazzling round, aren't they? I was a Navy man once, but I had a better life.
slaver who brought these soldiers, or the prince himself.
Og man kan bruge det samme trick, som man kan i Unity, med man bare fucking sleep, og man berserker dem, og så fucking nakker man dem bare direkte efter. Kan du godt lige få deres sync points, så jeg altid har et sted fast travel til. Jo, hvad så, brødre? Skal I se mig gøre det her epic noget? Det der, det er cold. I can't lie.
Look, man, just let me loose and I'll fly straight forthwith. I promise you.
Get a disease to this slaver.
Stop there!
Bastards in my sights!
Stop, you!
Bro, der er no way, han faktisk er der. Det her, det er bare ren bullshit.
If only you lads knew what was coming here. I think it's back your kids and run.
Fuck, hvor irriterende.
Many thanks, brother.
Nå, det var Arde.
Who's this douchebag that goes there? What a sourpuss he is.
Slaver named Prince. I'm told he's not marked.
Oh my fucking days. Svæver der, det er umuligt.
Ana Shimbal Tehubeen Efendin Abu Shibalba. Afate.
Look, all I know is he's looking for someone and I'm here to help him find it.
Bastards in my
Fish in a
sights!
barrel, mate.
Okay, jeg forstår honestly ikke den her. Sådan, jeg kan ikke finde ud af det.
out of kindness to do this, or guilt? Bastards are mistakes! Got it dead to rights. Clear shot.
Var det alt? Tak fucking skæbne.
Who's out there?
See that main
Det her,
door
det var
to
fucking
Roger?
svært.
He's a Dutch slaver called Lawrence Prince, living now like a king in Jamaica. Bastard's been a target for years. Bloody hell, we nearly had him.
By God, you bravos are a cheery bunch, eh? All frowns and furrowed brows.
Captain Kenway, you have remarkable skills.
Thanks, mate. It's natural.
But you're churlish and arrogant, prancing around in a uniform that you have not earned.
Everything is permitted. Isn't that your motto?
I absolve you of your errors in Havana and elsewhere, but you are not welcome here.
Nå. Okay, vi har lige reddet jeres fucking liv, og så siger I det der.
Sorry,
Bitch!
wish it were otherwise.
Sorry. Men hey, nu er jeg blowpipe, så nu burde stealth være lidt nemmere. For det meste. Altså ikke boat stealth selvfølgelig. Boat stealth det er stadig
You
fucking
deserve
irriterende.
scorn, Edward. Prancing about like one of us, bringing shame to our cause.
And what is that? Your cause?
To be blunt, we kill people. Templars and their associates. Folks who'd like to control all the empires on Earth. Claiming it's in the name of peace and order.
Sounds like the Cass's dying words.
You see? It's about power, really. About lording over people. Robbing us of liberty.
That another message from one of your friends?
Aye. I'll show you.
Fedt. Det var da
I know you
sjovt.
ain't exactly impressed by our creed. So would the sight of money make you more friendly to our ways?
As ever?
Then work these contracts around the West Indies for us, and we'll pay you. As simple as that.
Det kunne man da altid også gøre. Kunne også lade være. Kan jeg se, hvor det der Maya noget er? Ja, der er det Maya-dragt. Ja, så går jeg bare lige derhen. Hvis jeg kan finde vej derhen, selvfølgelig. Det håber jeg. Let's go, nu er jeg fucking blowpipe, så nu kan vi sneakily nakke mennesker på range. Eller ikke nak. Men vi kan gøre sådan, at de ikke kan fight. Berserk darts er virkelig ringe dog, in my opinion. Altså Berserk enemies, de gør jo intet. Ikke sådan faktisk intet. Sådan. Syg. Sådan, det er løgn. Gud, hvor mange man egentlig skal bruge. Jeg kunne have sværet før, så jeg sådan en enemy. Så sådan noget rødt. Jeg kan godt lige gå ind og tjekke, hvor mange majesty jeg skal bruge. For at kunne få Maya-dragten. Som jeg har hørt er meget OP, jeg ved sgu ikke helt. Jeg har hørt, jeg tror også nok det der med, at den sådan gør, at man tager mindre skade mod projectiles og sådan noget. I forgår. Men det lyder sgu OP. Men jeg ved i hvert fald 2 kommer ikke til at være nok. Jeg skal sikkert gå rundt over alt på mappet. Der kommer sikkert til at være sådan 500. Okay, 16. Godt at vide. Og scheisse. Nå, men jeg føler, at det er et relativt passende sted at slutte episoden. Så, farvel. Og ses som pirater næste gang. Kæft, det der lød corny. Bye bye.